Ever wondered how stress affects your daily life and overall health? Well, let's start by understanding what stress really is. It's a natural human response to pressure when faced with challenging and sometimes dangerous situations. That pressure isn't always bad, though. It can help you stay alert, energetic, and ready to avoid danger. But when it becomes chronic, it can take a heavy toll on your health, affecting everything from your sleep and mood to your heart health and immune function. Common triggers of chronic stress can include work, school, major life changes, or traumatic events. On a physical level, it can lead to headaches, sleep disturbances, and even digestive problems. Mentally, it can cause anxiety, restlessness, and depression. But here's some good news. Mother Nature has provided us with a treasure trove of herbs that can help us combat stress naturally. So, to help manage this stress, let's dive into some DIY herbal remedies that you can easily make at home. The first remedy is as simple as a cup of chamomile tea. Chamomile, a daisy-like plant known for its delicate star-shaped flowers and apple-like taste, has been a beloved herbal remedy for centuries. It's celebrated in many cultures for its calming properties, known to promote relaxation and sleep. But did you know that chamomile also boasts a bevy of benefits that help to relieve stress? When we're stressed, our bodies produce chemicals like cortisol, which can wreak havoc on our physical and mental health. Chamomile, though, is rich in compounds like apigenin and luteolin. These naturally occurring substances work wonders to reduce inflammation, soothe muscle spasms, and even help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. In essence, chamomile is like nature's tranquilizer, without the pesky side effects. Now you're probably wondering, how do I harness the power of this magical herb? Well, the answer is in a warm, soothing cup of chamomile tea. Whether you're using fresh or dried chamomile flowers, the process is straightforward. First, you'll need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh chamomile flowers, or 1 to 2 tablespoons if you're using dried flowers. Remember, the stronger you want your tea, the more flowers you should use. Next, boil enough water to fill your teacup. While the water is boiling, place the chamomile flowers in a tea strainer or infuser. Once the water is boiling, pour it over the chamomile flowers, then cover your cup and let it steep for about 5 minutes. The longer you let it steep, the stronger the flavor and the more potent the calming effects. As you sip this golden potion, you'll find the flavors to be subtly sweet, with notes of apple and floral undertones. It's a sensory experience that begins to work its calming magic from the very first sip. So, whether you're winding down after a long day or simply need a moment of tranquility, chamomile tea is there for you. Enjoy this calming tea any time of the day to help soothe your nerves and reduce stress. Next up, we have lavender essential oil, a popular choice for relaxation. Lavender, a plant native to the Mediterranean, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. But it is perhaps best known for its calming and soothing properties, making it a go-to in our modern, often stressful lives. Lavender essential oil is a powerhouse of relaxation, offering a multitude of benefits. It's believed to promote better sleep, reduce anxiety, and even alleviate headaches. Imagine, after a long day, surrendering to the soothing scent of lavender, allowing it to calm your mind, ease your tension, and guide you into a peaceful slumber. But how can you harness the power of this fragrant herb? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. One of the easiest ways to use lavender oil is with a diffuser. Just add a few drops to the water in your diffuser and let it fill your space with its calming aroma. As you breathe in the scent, feel your worries melt away. Another way to use lavender essential oil for relaxation is by adding it to a hot bath. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, then add it to your bath water. As you soak, the warmth of the water will help the oil to permeate your skin, providing a calming effect that's not just mental but physical too. A word of caution though, always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them directly to your skin. Essential oils are potent and undiluted. They can cause skin irritation. Remember, whatever method you choose, the key is to take a moment to breathe deeply, allowing the lavender to work its magic. It's a simple act, but one that can make a world of difference in managing stress and promoting relaxation. Inhale the soothing scent of lavender to help calm your mind and reduce anxiety. With lavender essential oil, you have a powerful tool at your disposal. Make it part of your relaxation routine and experience the tranquility it can bring. Our third remedy is a powerful herb known as ashwagandha. A gem in the world of botanicals, ashwagandha is a renowned stress buster, rooted deeply in the heart of Ayurvedic medicine. This ancient Indian medicinal system, which has been around for over 5,000 years, holds ashwagandha in high esteem for its numerous healing properties. Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng or winter cherry, is a small shrub that produces red fruit much like a berry. But the magic lies in its roots. These are packed with analytes, natural compounds that are believed to combat stress and anxiety. They do this by reducing cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. When cortisol levels are high for extended periods, it can trigger physical and mental health issues. But with the help of ashwagandha, it's possible to keep these levels in check and promote a sense of calm. Now, onto the practical part. How can you harness the benefits of this fantastic herb? Well, there are a couple of ways. The first is to take ashwagandha in capsule form. Many health stores and online retailers have ashwagandha capsules available, often combined with other beneficial herbs for a potent stress relief blend. Simply follow the dosage instructions on the packaging, and you're good to go. Alternatively, you may prefer to drink it as a tea. To make ashwagandha tea, you'll need dried ashwagandha root. Steep a teaspoon of the dried root in boiling water for about 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. The taste is slightly bitter, so you might want to add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon to make it more palatable. But remember, while ashwagandha is generally considered safe, it's always best to check with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. Incorporate ashwagandha into your routine to help manage stress and promote relaxation. With its rich history in Ayurvedic medicine and its proven stress-relieving properties, ashwagandha might just be the natural remedy you've been looking for. Now that we've explored these herbal remedies, it's time to summarize their benefits. First, we delved into the soothing world of chamomile tea, a beverage cherished for centuries for its calming properties. Drinking chamomile tea not only helps to decrease anxiety and stress, but it also promotes better sleep, which in turn supports overall mental health. Next, we discovered the tranquil essence of lavender essential oil. Just a few whiffs of this aromatic oil can transport your senses to a serene space, reducing stress and anxiety. Its versatile nature allows it to be used in various forms, from diffusers to personal care products, making it a handy companion in your quest for relaxation. We then ventured into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda with ashwagandha. This potent herb has been used for thousands of years to help the body resist physical and mental stressors. Incorporating ashwagandha into your routine can not only help manage stress levels, but also boost your energy and improve concentration. These three remedies, each with their unique attributes, serve as natural allies in our pursuit of stress relief and relaxation. And while they offer significant benefits, it's crucial to remember that they're part of a larger picture. Managing stress is a vital component of overall health and well-being. Chronic stress can lead to a host of health problems, from insomnia and digestive issues to heart disease. Therefore, it's essential to have an arsenal of stress management tools at your disposal, like these herbal remedies, along with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. But what's most important is to listen to your body and mind. If stress becomes overwhelming, it's crucial to seek professional help. There's no shame in reaching out to a mental health professional who can provide guidance and support. Remember, while these remedies can help, it's also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle and seek professional help if stress becomes overwhelming. Stay healthy, stay relaxed, and see you in the next video. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of herbal remedies for stress. Exploring these natural remedies can be a great way to find relief and relaxation in your everyday life. From chamomile tea and lavender essential oil to the wonders of ashwagandha, there's an abundance of nature's goodness waiting to be tapped into. Remember, these remedies are not a magic bullet, but a complement to a balanced lifestyle. And while they are generally safe, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you're dealing with severe stress or any other health concerns. We invite you to try these remedies and share your experiences. You never know who might benefit from your insights, so why not subscribe and share this video? You could be the catalyst for someone's journey to natural health and wellness. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with your loved ones and help them combat stress naturally. Until next time, take care and stay stress-free.